Now we're going to look at triangle pose, which is Trikonasana. Now this is a posture which not only helps you to reduce weight, but is also very good for stability. It's very good for your back, for your sides, and for your overall body stability. To begin, come to the front of your mat, ground yourself, tuck your pelvic bone in, palms at heart center, and inhale. Take your right foot back. Point your right leg to the back of the mat and tilt your body. Touch or hold your big toe and turn your body to the sky. Drishti to the palm of your hand. If you can't touch the big toe, you can stay here, or even here. Make sure to twist and look at the sky. Inhale. Trikonasana on the left. Point your left foot to the front of the mat. Tilt your body. Grab hold of your big toe, twist, look up to the palm of your hand. Come up slowly, controlled. These were two basic postures which bring stability to your mind and your body. Regular practice should help you come to the full postures. To look at more Ashtanga videos and learn more, make sure to like and subscribe.